Jason, honey, you need to go lay down. You're sleepy. You're so sleepy. Go lay down. I'll put your food in the fridge.
No.
But you're falling asleep sitting up, baby. Chew your food.
No.
You're so tired.
No.
Honey, you need to go lay down. Oh my God. You're so cute. Go lay down. Go lay down. It's okay. It's alright. Since you're barely chewing, you're falling asleep sitting up. You need to you need to go sit down. I don't want you falling on the floor. Hey, I love you. Sweet boy. He's so tired. Oh my goodness. You can't even keep your eyes open. Oh. How am I supposed to deal with that? Oh my gosh.